Salam everyone. I am Mohammed Muaz, the marketing executive of HaqueSoft. Before digging into the discussion, let's roll with the intro first. HaqueSoft has been designing, developing and implementing solutions exclusively for the textile industry since 2003. Now, you guys would have a question, right? Why am I saying this? In our previous video, we have shown the outcomes you would get. Because the solutions to your problems are the main things to get focused on. HaqueSoft technological ability and application aptitudes have brought the overall accomplishment of HaqueTex, which is knit fabric process manufacturing system. HaqueDye, which is known as yarn and knit fabric, dyeing and finishing process system. KnitSoft, which is knit garments process manufacturing system. SIM, which is sweater integrated manufacturing system. And YDIMS, which is known as the yarn dyeing integrated manufacturing system. Now Mr. Mahdi would give a short talk shortly.
Hello everyone, this is Mahdi here. In our previous section, the marketing executive just said what the products are and what they actually do. Just stay here with us for a minute, it would be lovely, it would be appreciable. So, I want to share with you what we came up with as we are working for the solutions of the problems of industries. We are doing this for the last 18 years, with lots of ups and downs. It is obvious, right? We want to share our journey. Numbers of obstacles have been confronted which made HaqueSoft's library huge, where any industry's problems can be fitted in with ease. We can't share our journey in just one video, of course. Our next following videos would have the aim of grabbing your attention, and we hope we will cope up with your interests as well. That's all for today. Hope by the grace of Almighty we will see you in our next video. Please give a like and comment down if you have any preference for the next video. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button.